they correlate to the lesson. Especially if you see this one, this is a model of an ant. If you see, these are the models of ant hill. When the children are involved in these classes, the children are so much busy with their activities. Now, I will give few minutes time to all of you. Just you take out your clay in your hand and try to make any small model of an ant. Now, if you want to show, sir, please here. See, this girl is trying to make the model of an ant here. Everybody, try to make, they make the learning joyful. If you try to do it, see, the things will become very creative. Toy making is a phenomena in which we put our art skills and we try to make our models, we try to make the toys which pertain to your lesson. It involves you, it makes the learning joyful. Those who have made it a little bit better, you can show me. Just please come here. Lakshmi shows a picture of a little ant. It is now prepared by her. Any other boy or girl, those who are very close to preparation, I think Ganavi is also ready with a model. Sir, please come here. You see, just